Welcome to another video. So we have 5 to the power x is equals to 1000. We are required to predict or find the actual value of x. If we substitute here, then the output should give us 1000. So in case you're watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe, comment, turn your notification on. And for the returning viewers, feel welcome, watch up to the end. Straight away onto the solution. But before we go to the solution, are we in a position to predict the value of x that will give us the output as 1000? Recall that x cannot be equals to 0 because 5 to the power 0, that becomes 1. And x, when x is 1, then that is 5 to the power 1, that gives us 5. While x is equals to 2, then becomes 5 to the power 2, that is 25. Let's say x is equals to 3, then 5 to the power 3, then that we're gonna get 125. So what if x is equals to 4? Then this becomes 5 to the power 4, that gives us 625. Let's say if x is equals to 5, then 5 to the power 5, this jumps a bit higher to 3125. We realize that from this range, between x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 5, it has exceeded our value. So we can say that our x will be found between the range of 4 and 5. So how exactly do we approach it? Since the power is unknown here, the quickest approach will be to introduce the logs on both sides of this equation, so that I have the log of 5 to the power x is equals to the log of 1000. So then this x can come down as x to the log 5 is equals to the log 1000. Then we're going to divide all through by log 5. So here you're able to see that our value of x will be found by taking the log 1000 divided by the log 5. At this stage, we're just required to simplify this in simple terms so that you're able to find if we can get the actual value. So we had x now is equals to, I'm going to write log 1000 over log 5 again, and I know that 1000 can be written in form of 10 raised to power 3, so that when I replace this here, I'm going to have x is equals to the log 10 to the power 3 divided by the log 5. Simplifying this further, we know that x now becomes 3. Taking this 3 on this other side, shall have 3 to the log 10 divided by the log 5. And recall that when you have the log 10 and the base is unknown, then you assume it to be base 10. And when you take log 10 base 10, shall get 1. So here x now becomes 3, and we've said the whole of this is equals to 1. So this becomes 3 and then divide by the log 5 as our actual value, which is required for the value of x. And computing this in the scientific calculator, 3 divided by log 5, we shall get an approximate value of 4.292, and this value, recall, is actually in the range between 4 to 5. So it is evident that it is clearly easy to predict, to show, and also to show that the value of x here is equals to 3 to the log 5, which is approximately equals to 4.292. So can you go ahead and verify our equation? Recall that our equation was 5 to the power x is equals to 1000. But wherever I have x, I want to replace 3 to the log 5. So 5 raised to 3 divided by the log 5 is equals to 1000. Also recall that when you have an index in the form of a raised to m over n, then this can be written as a raised to m minus, so that is a raised to m, and then you want to divide a raised to n so that the powers are divided. Then that is what you're gonna, so you're gonna ignore this. If we have a raised to m over n, so this goes or follows the law of taking the nth root of a, and then we're gonna power it to m, so that when you have 5 raised to the 3 divided by log 5, then I'm gonna write this as the root of 5, and then the log 5 will come here, and then everything I'm gonna power it to 3. Taking the log 5 to the root of 5, I'm pretty sure we're gonna get 10, and cubing 10, we're gonna end up having 1000. And as you can see on my left hand side, I got 1000 is equals to, on my right hand side, which is also 1000. Hence we have verified our solution. So please don't forget to like, share, comment, leave a comment, turn your notification on, and let's meet in the next one.